Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're making crispy garlic parmesan chicken wings. These wings are so good and easy to make. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. To start off, preheat your oven to 400 degrees and then we're gonna go ahead and wash our chicken. Go ahead and grab your chicken wings. I have about 12 party wings right here. We're gonna empty that in this bowl in the sink, and then we're gonna wash it with apple cider vinegar, lemon, water, and some sea salt. I took about 1/4 of a cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/2 of a lemon, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and then I filled the top with water. Okay, now that it's been 30 minutes, we're gonna remove the liquid from the chicken wings, put this on the counter, and we're gonna pat it dry with some paper towels. After your chicken wings are dry, we're gonna add some olive oil, and then we're gonna add some Tony seasoning. If you don't have Tony's, you can use seasoned salt or just salt and pepper, it's fine. Because we're gonna go ahead and add the garlic parmesan mixture later. Take a rubber spatula or any type of spatula. If you have gloves, you can also use your hands. We're gonna make sure that each of the wings are coated in the seasoning. Go ahead and grab your baking tray, and I'm also using a silicone baking mat so that I don't have much mess in the end. I can just wash it off. And also go ahead and grab a wire cooling rack. We're gonna go ahead and plop each of the wings down on the wire rack. I like to place them bottom side up so that the top of the wings, when we flip them halfway through, they have a nice crispy golden outside. Once all of your wings are on the tray, we're gonna set the timers for 50 minutes, put that in the oven, and then we're gonna come back when it's 30 minutes left and we're gonna flip them right side up. So here I am flipping all of the chicken wings top side up, and we're gonna let them get crispy for about 30 minutes. In the last 10 minutes of baking, go ahead and make your sauce. First, I'm gonna go ahead and chop my parsley. I have Italian parsley right here, and then we're gonna go ahead and grate our garlic. Now that all of our ingredients are chopped, we're gonna take 1/2 stick of unsalted butter, melt that. Then we're gonna go ahead and grab our Parmesan cheese. We're gonna add our parsley, our garlic to the butter. And then lastly, we're gonna go ahead and add 1/4 of a cup of Parmesan cheese. It's better if you freshly grate it, but I didn't have that option. I would have if I had it. Once all of your ingredients are added to the bowl, we're gonna go ahead and give that a quick stir to make sure that it's all incorporated. Then our wings should be done and we can add the sauce into the wings. Once you take out your wings, they should be nice and golden like this, unlike the middle one that's a little pale, but it's okay. We're gonna add it back to the broiler for 5 minutes after we add the sauce. So now I'm going ahead and adding all of my wings to a mixing bowl, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our sauce. I decided to use tongs, and I'm not sure why, but don't use tongs to mix it like I did. Go ahead and use a spatula so that it doesn't rip any of the skin off. So I'm gonna mix this until I see that each of the wings are coated in our sauce. This probably takes like 2 to 3 minutes. And then after this, we're gonna go ahead and add this back to the wire rack, and we're gonna go ahead and broil it for 5 minutes. Now that all of my wings are added to the rack, before I broil it, I'm gonna go ahead and add the leftover sauce on all of the wings. You can do this, or you can wait, leave the sauce, and after broil it, you can mix it again, whatever your preference is. After 5 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and add it back to the bowl just for decoration. You can see how adding that sauce back on top, it like stuck to the top, and now they're crispy, well, even more crispy and golden brown since we broiled it, so the tops are like really crunchy. I really like this recipe because you literally only need 5 ingredients: the garlic, the parsley, the butter, the Parmesan cheese, and the chicken wings. It's very simple and easy. For decoration, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some of that Parmesan cheese on top. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments if you decided to make this, and also let me know any recommendations that you like. And please don't forget to like, comment, and hit that notification bell if you would like to stay updated with any of my new videos.